And this is it guys, luto na yung ating chop suey for Chinese New Year. Kong hei fa choy. And this is our chop suey guys. What's up mga guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Junito Mariano Vlog. And cooking tutorial muna tayo guys for today's video. My version of cooking chop suey for Chinese New Year. So if you're new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and click the bell button so that updated tayo sa videos natin. Junito Mariano Vlog. Let's cook guys! And this is our chop suey ingredients guys. So ayan guys, maglagay tayo ng oil. At maglagay tayo ng garlic. So, ilagay tayo natin guys yung ating red onion. Pati na rin yung ating red tomato. Which you like in guys. Pati na rin yung ating guys chicken. Yung ating pizza. Slice into strips. So, lagyan natin guys ng ating paminta. Konting salt. At mekos-mekos na yan dyan. So, ilagay na rin natin guys yung ating carrots. It's in beta-carotene. Ay, yun. Ilagay na rin natin guys yung ating sayote. Ating cauliflower guys. At yung ating broccoli. At yung ating French beans. Green na green. Bell pepper. Bango-bango guys ng gulay. Lagyan natin ng konting water. With seasoning guys. Mamagika na rin yan guys. Mekos again. At yung ating mushroom guys. Three to 4 minutes na yan guys. Luto na yun. Ready to serve. And this is it guys. Luto na yung ating chop suey for Chinese New Year. Yung ating pampinali, quail egg. Ayan guys. And this is our version of our chop suey a la Junito Marinado vlog. Yum, 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 yum. And this is our finished product, guys. Chop suey, Kong Hee Pat Choy. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button so that updated tayo sa videos natin. Junito Marinado vlog. And this is it, guys. Chop suey, Kong Hee Pat Choy.